My name is Reginald Arundel, and I am the Community Development Officer for the Department of Community Development, Family and Humanitarian Affairs. In observation of World Food Day, the department organized a free cooking demonstration primarily to introduce persons to different recipes on a low budget. So this evening we are here at the St. Peter's Community Center. We just had a presentation on nutrition, and now we're having the cooking demonstration, which is led by none other than Miss Sabine Flanders. So again, the cooking demonstration is for free. It takes place, it will be on Monday, the 17th, and then the 21st, the 24th, 27th, and then the final session will take place at the Sandaya School on November 3rd. So we really give thanks for this opportunity to be able to share the information with the public, and we look forward to seeing you.
I am from the Ministry of Public Health, Social Development and Labor under Collective Prevention Services, and this evening I made a presentation on healthy eating for a healthy living, and this all entails giving individuals basic information about what healthy eating is all about, eating in moderation, eating a variety of foods, and making very healthy choices in terms of the foods they are selecting. They also had the opportunity of knowing what's a portion size and what's a serving size, and also knowing how to read the food label and applying it to their lifestyle. So I would like to also encourage persons to also be mindful of what they have put in their bodies in terms of snacks, drinks, and the type of foods that they eat throughout the day.
Afterwards, those in attendance got to taste the healthy dishes prepared.
What I did in here, I put a variety, and you can mix them so that you're not eating a uniform every day. I call it eating a uniform. So, one day, you can do oats and rice and maybe the grain together. Because what will happen is, the grains, number one, you get your carbohydrates, you have a lot of fiber.
CDFHA held this event in acknowledgement of World Food Day to promote and stress the need for healthier eating habits and consequently a healthy